Okay, so this is one method of finding slope. We have another method, and in the second method it is also known as a planar method. In this method we use Cartesian coordinates. And we also use a window of 3 cross 3. So one thing is for sure that in both methods we are using 3 cross 3 window cell. In both of these methods we are using 3 cross 3 windows cell. So one thing before moving into planar method, which one is more accurate? So among geodesic and planar, the most accurate is geodesic. Now let's come to the planar. But what about planar? The most used is the most used formula you will find in software. They are for planar. Okay, and it also give you good results. Okay, now let's come to the planar method. In planar we have different techniques. Basically there are 3 techniques. The first one, the first technique let it be 15. So the first technique in the planar, I'll give it a name. It is known as 4 nearest cell method. The second one is known as third order finite difference approach. These are two of the most commonly used method, and they give you good result, best result. Okay, now what are the other name for these method? The first one is also known as it is the simple approximation method. It is also known as Rook's move. It is also known as NSEW. North, south, east, west. NSEW values for Z. So in this, what we do, we compute the north, south, east, west value of the z. It is also known as Rook's move. It is also known as 4 nearest cell method. Okay, it is also known as simple approximation method. The other one, it is known as 8 cell method. This is the 4 cell method. This is the other one is known as 8 cell method, and it was devised by Hahn in 1981. Okay, the above method, the first method, is used in a software. The name of this software is Surfer, while second method is used in ArcGIS. Okay, there is a, and what we do, again, we are using a window of 3x3, just like we did in geodesic method. Planar method also employ a window of 3x3. Okay, there is a third method in which triangles are used. Okay, it make use of 8 triangles defined by the midpoint of 3x3 window centered on the Z. So I will draw that, then you will get to know how that thing is. So it looks somewhat like this. You have a 3x3 and in this you have you take middle points like this and you draw eight triangles. Eight triangles like this. So one of the triangle is this one. So you compute, I think this is disturbed, I'll remove that. You compute these triangles. Okay. So this method is used in the software known as this third method. This is used in the software. The software is Map Info. This is described by Tarbotton, in 1997. And Tarboton has used D-infinity drainage method for watershed and drainage. D-infinity drainage method. Whereas there is another software which is known as ERDAS. So what ERDAS do is that it is based on averaging of 3 east-west, 3 north-south differences for estimation of slope in x and slope in y. Okay, so it uses some other method. So this was a overview of planar method. That in planar method we have, let's summarize that. We have 4 nearest cell method. The other one is 8 cell method. 8 cell method is based on third order finite difference approach. There is also another method used by map info. It is based on 8 triangles. It is used in D-infinity drainage method. So we will discuss now. This one is more it requires more detail, so I will stick with the first two. Okay.